so tried to sit up and it's starting to hurt down. I'm gonna go ask her if she wants to try this with me. McKenna, wanna try sitting on it with me and keeping it floating? Get on. I'll get on first. I'll get on first. Actually, take the flippers off. Take the flippers off. Yeah, I guess we're doing it later. Yeah, she just said we're gonna do it. Anyway, yeah. It's harder with one person. You used to have like 2 or 3 people. 3 people probably at the most. 3 people at the most. It's like if you do 4 people, you'll get squished. Trust me. When it was 3 people, I was up at the front right there, and I got pushed off. Even 3 people is kind of hard. Prefer like 2 people. And 1 person doesn't always work. You have to get like in the middle if it's just 1 person. I mean, I'm just gonna jinx myself, so I'm not gonna say anything. So, no. Ouch. Yeah, I told you, it doesn't always work. It's over again. We are going to just play around right now, and we might make another video because we just like to. I mean, it's just it's not like we're making them every day, so we're not making them too much. It's just playing in the water, and yeah, it's fun. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Goodbye.